We are globetrotting through retirement, and today we're headed to a family reunion deep in the pine woods of South Georgia. And somewhere along these backwoods, these endless pine trees remind us of that classic Boz Scaggs tune. Our first stop is Douglas, Georgia, home to the WWII Flight Training Museum. This was once a major World War II training center where thousands of pilots prepared for dangerous missions over Europe and the Pacific. Unfortunately, we arrived when the museum was closed. It's only open Thursday through Saturday from 11 to 4. But that didn't stop us from exploring the grounds. We get to see several outdoor exhibits and even caught a glimpse of a classic World War II aircraft being restored. But Douglas has so much more. Driving through downtown feels like stepping into time to a simpler time. There are unique shops, local restaurants, and that unmistakable South Georgia charm. And then we find a true local favorite, the Hardware House. Formerly known as Spiveys Catfish, when it was located on the outskirts of town, they recently moved into the Old Lots Hardware building. And they keep the traditions that everyone loves. Free hush-puppies and tail-end catfish. Now that's South Georgia eating right here. Next we drive about an hour north, even deeper into those pine woods, to the Palmer Family Reunion. This place is absolutely beautiful, and it's been a family reunion tradition for decades. There's something special about gathering in a place where generations of memories have been made.
Well, our parents, as long as I can remember, always came to this particular picnic shelter once a year, the first Sunday in May. And we grew up, all of us cousins now grew up coming here and then going and playing on the swings and going to the clubhouse, and we just had a large time. Family's always been important to the Palmers. They're always, and it's just nice to see the cousins feel that same feeling, and so I'm just thrilled to be here. See this? This has to be one of Daddy's birthdays.
This journey reminds us that sometimes the best adventures are the ones you don't plan. There are surprises that you discover along the way. As we continue globetrotting through retirement.